today. My father-in-law recently asked me how to reinstall macOS on his MacBook Pro, and I haven't done this in a long time. So I searched on Apple's website. I actually found a way where you can create a bootable installer for macOS. And so here are the instructions. Obviously, this seems like you'll need a Mac to do it. So this is just a video to show you the link, and then you can just try following the directions. You'll need a flash drive, and also you'll need the media. So that's it. I thought it'd be useful for some people. And again, I'll also include a link on how you can download OS X El Capitan. This I think is pretty useful just for upgrading purposes. If you have this DMG file, you can install very easily an upgrade if you have an older version of the OS. And it's just this link over here. You click on it and it'll start downloading. You can see it down over here is downloading. It's this 6 GB file for El Capitan. I'm going to cancel that. So again, this is just the link on how you can create a bootable installer for macOS. This isn't actual instructions, you can figure out yourself. And for those who might want to install a newer version that's not supported, I mentioned before I found this link for DOS Dude 1 where it's possible to download a patched version of macOS so it'll work on unsupported Macs. And so I'll include a link on that in the description in case you want to give that a try. I've never tried it myself, so that's the disclaimer. I just ran across it. It seems pretty legit, so who knows? I could be wrong, so don't trust anyone. So I thought this would be useful.